Welcome to this lecture. So in this lecture I'm going to add the animation code for the splash screen. So let's start this lecture and switch back to our Android Studio. So I'm going to do what? I'm going to click on this project tab, and here at I'm going to click on the rest directory, and from there I'm going to press right click and I'm going to click on this new and selecting the Android resource directory. And from there I'm going to specify a folder called anim, that is for animation. Then click on this OK button and it will create an anim folder there. Then I'm going to click on this, right click on this anim folder, and here you need to create an animation resource file. Name the animation resource file as transition and simply press OK. And you can see that we have our transition.xml file. Inside of this transition.xml file, simply select this set and change it to alpha and hit a tab key. So you can see that it is now changed into alpha. Then at the end of this, you need to press enter and you need to type from alpha, that is a property, and you need to specify 0.0. Then the another property is to alpha, and here you need to specify 1.0. Then for animation we need duration, so I am going to use a duration. So first I am going to duplicate this code by pressing Ctrl D, and here I am going to select this one and I am going to type duration, and the duration is not in minutes, it is in thousands, so I am going to type 2000. So that's it for the coding of transition.xml file. So in next video I am going to use this transition.xml file inside of splash screen activity to animate these two views, that is image view and text view. So that's all about this lecture. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next lecture. Thank you.